Hello friends, this is TechLanders and I'm back with an amazing video. If you haven't subscribed us yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon for upcoming videos, and at the end of this video, if you like this video, that I think you're going to like it, then hit the like button as well. In today's video, we are going to discuss about turbo boost of CPU and how can I disable that turbo boost. Basically, in computers, we have turbo boost option for CPUs, which means that for a CPU, there would be a base clock, which would be the initial high of a CPU, and if it needs some extra power to handle the workload, then it will enable that turbo boost option, and then it will go up to another high level for processing the tasks. So, for example, like I am having Intel i5 9300H. So in this processor, the base clock, which is the first high for the CPU, is 2.4 gigahertz. And if it finds that a massive workload is coming on, so it will go up to 4.1 gigahertz. So for example, if I'm working on something and I don't want that extra turbo boost to be enabled, I just want it to go up to 2.4 gigahertz. So I have to disable the turbo boost option. So in today's video, we'll be looking at how can we disable that turbo boost option without any third-party external application just by using the internal default settings. So let's get started. First of all, I will show you that this is my CPU and currently it is enabled for turbo boost, but here there's nothing to show. Okay, so we'll be moving to control panel. So I'll type control panel. You can search it from the start bar. So here we are in the control panel. From here we'll be going in appearance and personalization, and then here in the left panel we have hardware and sound. From here we would go to power options, and we would select choose a power plan. So in a computer, we have these default power plans which define a set of instructions for a CPU and battery, etc. So this is the balanced or the recommended power plan which is currently enabled. In this option, the turbo boost option is enabled. So here we'll see that when I click on change power plan settings and click on change advanced power settings, so here I get a list of all the instructions that are under this power option. So here I see the processor power management option. I click on it, and this is the minimum processor state and maximum processor state. We have nothing to do with the minimum processor state. So we'll click on maximum processor state, and here on battery and when plugged in, the percentage set is 100%. So when these values are set to 100%, it will make the optimum usage of the processor and keep the turbo boost option enabled. But we don't want to keep that option enabled. So what we will do is we'll create another power plan. So let's get back to the power plan page. And here we'll be clicking on create a power plan. After clicking on this, we have to set a name for this power plan. I would set something as custom 2 and click on next. Here I'll have to mention all the settings for the instructions, and now we can see this option listed here. Now I'll click on change plan settings. So here I have this processor power management. I'll click on it, and on the maximum processor state I'll be clicking, and then we see these options again. So what we have to do is we have to just modify these settings to 99 for on battery as well as for plugged in, and click on apply and OK. So now what will happen is that whenever I will set my power plan to custom 2, so my processor will not run at its maximum frequency, and it would just go up to the base clock of the CPU. For my CPU it is 2.4 gigahertz, so it would just go up to 2.4 gigahertz rather than 4.1 gigahertz. So that was it. This is just a basic method of just disabling turbo boost without any external applications. So I hope that you might have liked this video. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and if you're still not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Jai Hind.